Hi guys, welcome. Thank you for watching my previous videos. I trust they were helpful. In this video, what I will be doing is I will be explaining and giving you advice and tips on how to grow a small forex trading account. Yeah, for most of you, you'll be like, it's a bit of a headache and stressful and so forth, but there are ways to actually trade a small account. When I mention small accounts, I'm actually referring to $5, 10, 20, 30. Those are your small accounts. $100 is I wouldn't say that it's small, because even if you make a few losses, you can still recover. There's enough equity left. But your small accounts, I would grade them as your $30 and below. You must also remember, with you only want a piece of the pie. You can't want the whole pie. So when you're trading with a small account, what you're going to do is you're going to mainly scalp. And when I refer to scalping, it's where you're going to open a trade, do your analysis, open a trade, hold a trade for a few minutes. You got your profits, you close. You look for another opportunity. You're going to see, okay, Euro USD, GBP USD. You see a few profits, you close. That's how I grow a lot of how I have grown a lot of my small accounts. Like, for example, you can see with this image that I have showing you right now. I'm showing you my lot size. This account was $30. I started with $30 and I was trading it and trading it and trading it, growing. I was scalping, mainly scalping, and I was banking 60 cents, 50 cents, 30 cents, 20 cents, and so forth. Small profits along the way I was banking. And what happens is, when you bank, like, I know for a lot of you, when you hear these numbers, you're thinking, oh, that's a little. But I'm referring to USD, pound, and euro, mainly those three. I'm not referring to ZOR, the rand. I'm not referring to that, because it really wouldn't be worth it. But I'm referring to your pound, dollar, and euro. If you're gonna bank 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, it's gonna actually, like, maybe if you open three positions, okay, you're not gonna, if you got a small account, you're not gonna open three positions. You're gonna obviously open one position at a time, close one position at a time. So I'll make an example. If you got a $30 account, you're gonna open one position. You're gonna see, okay, $30 profit, close. You open, maybe you'll even have less, but it depends by you. You just, when you're scalping, you have to be in front of your MetaTrader, monitoring the trade. You're gonna open one position, 20 cents, close. And by the time maybe you close three positions with 30 to 35 cents, you'll realize that you've already made $1. Once you made $1, you carry on move flowing like that and making, scalping and scalping. You'll probably close off the day with $3 to $5 profit. And that's how I've been trading. That's how I mainly trade. And it'll work out for you. Like I've said in my previous video, what you can do is open a demo account, blow it. Like, if you watch my previous video, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Blow that demo account, and you will see, blow it to $50, or you can even go below 50 if you want to, 20, $30, and try grow that account. Like I said, you need a lot of discipline and patience. Those two have to go together. So when you're trading a small account, your stop loss is also going to be your best friend. You need to make sure that you've got your stop loss in place. Take profit, not so much. You're only sitting your take profit if you, maybe you can leave the trade running overnight, and you can see, according to your analysis, when you set your trend lines, that okay, it's probably going to retest here and go back up. So you're going to set your take profit just above or below where you think it's going to hit, and then it's going to bank it for you. It's going to bank those profits for you, and then you're going to wake up in the morning and say, okay, the trade closed automatically because it banked your profits. So yeah, like I said, you only want a piece of the pie, not the whole pie. You have to set decent and reasonable targets. You have to set targets. For example, if you're going to have a $10 account, you're going to tell yourself, okay, you know what, my targets are going to be $2 to $3 per day. You can't come and say you want to put $10 in your account and you want to make 15 to $10 to $15 a day, or you're going to just double the account every day. No, it's impossible. Maybe, I don't know, for you it worked out before, but I've never seen such. I don't think it could be possible to that extent. Maybe you're going to be trading gold, you'll get burnt, you'll be profiting. It depends. Maybe you've got a perfect strategy. I'm not gonna charge you, but for me, I would say you just need to be reasonable. That's where your discipline comes in. You need to be reasonable with your. I'm gonna trade using let's say you're gonna trade using $10. Your targets are gonna be like $2 to $3 daily. You're gonna stick to that. Stick to your $2 to $3 daily, and you will see how well you will grow that account. You will see, you will, as days go. But you also need to be bear in mind that you have a lot of discipline. You need to have a lot of patience when you're trading. You can't your approach, especially when you're trading and when you're opening positions, when you make losses, you can't don't. And another thing I also want to say, when you make losses, when you can see you're on a bit of a losing streak, try to close your positions. Let's say you're making, you got a $30 account and you lose half of it. You're sitting on $15. Take a bit of a break from the markets. This is what I always advise. Take a bit of a break, go back to your demo account, because when you're losing, you can already see that, hey, you know what, it's not going to end well. I'm going to end up blowing certain amounts of my funds. Take a bit of a break, go to your demo account, trade from there. Trade the same way you would on your live account. Give your account a bit of a break, then go back. And you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to open a market. You don't have to trade every day. You can go on your MetaTrader daily, see a few opportunities here and there, and tackle them. But you don't have to trade every single day. And yeah, I think this would just cover about everything that you would need to know when you're trading a small accounts. You just need to be disciplined, patience, and a bit serious. You need to be sure about your analysis. So yeah, and if you're watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also let me know how the content has helped you in a way, or what it is that you want me to discuss next. Please do so by commenting, and I would attend to every single one of you. I will also be posting another video tomorrow regarding the economic calendar. That's going to be where I'm going to show you the events that will be taking place this week, including the most important one, and high volatility events, which will be NFP, non-farm payrolls, and employment change. There's going to be a lot of volatility at on Friday. First week of every Friday we have NFP. That day I'm gonna cover I'm gonna cover all of that on tomorrow's video about the economic calendar, and I'll be showing you everything, and I'll be letting you know what to do, what to look out for when you're trading, and so forth, what to expect. So yeah, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Okay, thanks guys.